What is it? What is that, Lex? That's from Mommy and Daddy. That's to Sophie from Mommy and Daddy. What is that, Bubba's?
Sophie.
Pull the paper off. Turn it over, silly, so you can see what it is.
Thank you.
You like it? So you can paint us some pretty pictures. I'm not taking a picture, Annie. It's a video. I'm glad you love it, baby. What is that? Is that a Thomas train set? There's Daddy.
Wow, cool.
You're so cute. That is pretty cool, huh? You like that? We'll have to